Hello and welcome, guys. Welcome back to the Lowe Show. I'm your host, Nate Lowe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the grill out of your 2019 Chevy Silverado 3/4 or 1-ton pickup. Okay, the tools we'll be using today to remove the grill off of our Chevy Silverado HD is a pry bar to remove the plastic clips off the plastic housing. You'll need a 10mm socket. I use mine in a 12-volt drill format to make it a lot easier. You'll need some sort of flashlight, your preference, and then you might possibly need some flathead screwdrivers for any prying that needs to be done. Let's go. Once you get the plastic cover off, then you'll need to take a 10mm socket and take off the 4 bolts. Here, 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 and here. There's also 2 bolts located on the bottom of the grill. One down here, and one down there. Once you get all 6 of them bolts out, then you need to pry up against the top of the grill and then slowly work your way out the bottom. There you have it. So we'll go ahead, button this up, and push the grill back into place and see how everything looks. Alright guys, now that the grill's back in place, we're going to put the 4 top screws in, the 2 bottom screws. We'll grab the plastic trim piece, put that on top, and then put all the plastic plugs in. And then you should be good to go. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the installation of the Chevy Silverado 3/4 ton grill. If you have any questions, make sure to write them down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to hit that bell notification for all future truck related videos. See you on the next one.